boys and girls, so this is day 2 of our Read-Write-Ink phonics, and we are continuing on with our set 2 sounds. Now, we have been doing such a fabulous job of speedy reading our set 2 sounds. I have been very impressed, so well done you. First of all, we're going to have a little practice of our red words. Now, remember, our red words are words that we can't sound out. They're words that we just need to know, so are we ready? No. No. I, of, my, the. Right, are we ready? Your turn. Great job. Give yourself a fantastic. Great job. Okay, so with these words, we're going to do, this is a mixture of some of our sounds that we've done before. Some of the words with the sounds. So we'll have a little practice of our set 2 sounds first of all, and then we can get on with this. So our sound last week was A. Good. A. Excellent. So let's see if we can spot any A words. Are we ready? Fred in your head. Stink. Fred in your head. Way. Fred in your head. May. Fred in your head. Blip. Fred in your head. Day. Fred in your head. Wink. Fred in your head. Say. Fred in your head. Test. Fred in your head. Spray. Fabulous job. Great job there. So, our new sound we have been doing this week, can we remember what it was? E. Good. The 2 A's together are E, and the rhyme for E is, what can you see? E. Fabulous job. So, let's have a look at some of our words that have the E sound in them. And you're going to say the special friend sound and then Fred talk the word. Okay, are we ready? Magnetise. Special friends. E. Fred talk. Bean. Special friends. Fred talk. Green. Special friends. Fred talk. C. Special friends. Fred talk. Scene. Special friends. Oh, there's 2 here. Fred talk. 3. Special friends. Fred talk. Sleep. Excellent job. Fantastic. So our focus sound this week is E. Now we're going to do our Fred finger spelling today, so you'll need your little red jotter. If you don't have your little red jotter, pen, paper, pencil is absolutely fine. So the first word we're going to do today is see. How many Fred fingers are we going to need for the word see? That's right, it's 2. Can you show me 2? Are we ready to pinch for C? S. E. Your turn. C. C. Good job. Can you write the word see? Remember and underline those special friends. Great. So what comes first in C? S. E. How do we do the E sound? Two A's. And I'm going to underline that. S. E. C. Tick if you got the S. Tick if you got the E sound. Excellent. So the next word we're going to write is seen. Seen. How many Fred fingers do we need for the word seen? Good, it's 3. Are we ready to pinch for seen? S, E, N. Your turn. Seen. Seen. Good, can you write the word seen? Excellent. So what comes first in seen? S, E. Underline your special friends. N. S, E, N. Seen. Tick if you got the S. Tick if you got the E. Tick if you got the N. Now you might have noticed that see and seen, they have the same spelling at the beginning, but there's a N on the end of seen. Excellent job. The next word we're going to write is bean. How many Fred fingers do we need for the word bean? Good, it's 3 again. Are we ready to pinch for bean? B, E, N. Your turn. Bean. Bean. Good. Can you write the word bean? Excellent. So what comes first in bean? B, E. Underline my special friends. B, E, N. B, E, N. Bean. Tick if you got the B. Tick if you got the E. Tick if you got the N. Bean. The next word we're going to do is green. How many Fred fingers do we need for the word green? Good, it's 4. Are we ready to pinch for green? G, E, N. Your turn. Green. Green. Good. Can you write the word green? Great job. So what comes first in green? G, E, N. G, E, N. Green. Tick if you got the G. Tick if you got the Tick if you got the E. Tick if you got the N. Green. Fabulous job. That was great, Fred Finger spelling. Can you give yourselves a hip, hip hooray? Excellent. Good job. So, your words have been put onto SumDog. Now, SumDog's a really, really good tool because it helps you practice reading these words really, really speedy and spelling them out. And we want you to be fantastic at your reading, don't we? And you get to challenge yourself and see if you can win all the points in the class as well. So, it's a great tool to use. You can also get on with reading the second story in your reading book, okay? Remember, you've got to practice the red words and then the green words at speed. But fantastic job today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.